Okay, my name is JoseUribe. I'm one of the co-founders of Zero Fractal Studio, and I'm the studio director here at our Toronto office. We are a 2D and 3D animation and interactive studio on both the design and the development aspect. A little bit about Zero Fractal. We started 10 years ago. We're five classmates, 4 architects, and 1 industrial designer. Usually every time I say that, I see people opening their eyes, saying like, why, how come 4 architects and 1 industrial designer are into the digital media, digital technology? And I think I haven't been able to answer that question, but I think serendipity and destiny played an important role, and of course our passion to computers and visualization. And when we opened our office 10 years ago back in Colombia, there was a crisis in the real estate market. So we decided to do what we loved and what we were very good at, which was 3D architectural visualization. And we opened our office, our second office in Miami. At that point, Miami was in its very peak of the boom of the real estate industry. So that really helped us a lot. And from there, we started growing, expanding into different services, different industries. And so far, I think the journey has been great. I wouldn't say that we're going into different directions at once. We were becoming more and more conscious, and conscious about the richness of diversifying our portfolio. Basically, not the challenge, but what we wanted to achieve was to do for the very first time a musical video that utilizes augmented reality. This was done in collaboration with Black Ionica and Devilfish back in the UK. The artist is Julian Perretta, and they gave us this task of creating this 3-dimensional environment where the main goal was for the end user to be a protagonist of the of the video, to be able to interact with the 3D environment. And again, it's all part of that story of the life. And it also, of course, it goes along with the theme of the song as well. So the challenges were, I think that we had a challenge in every single second, every single hour, because we used augmented reality, which is something very new to the industry. It's very interesting because it communicates with different input devices, especially the webcam. But since it's so new, we had to do a good amount of research and development, trial and error, as every other project of this kind of magnitude. But at the same time, like what we achieve at the end, and seeing all the great reviews that we've had about the project was just, I think it paid by itself. I just simply invite you all to go to the website, to the Julian Perretta's website, or if you cannot find it there, on our portfolio on the interactive design, that there's the link. And basically it has this magical journey coming from inside a book. It's a story, and again, this was not all our creative. It's a collaboration between Devilfish, Black Ionica, and we did all the development part with the augmented reality. So yes, we were doing more projects of this kind. I think that one of the challenges from the marketing perspective is that there's not a solid base of metrics of the amount of webcams that are connected to the computers nowadays. It's very difficult to determine the demographics. Some marketers have some concerns about really how spread that the word can go around. But after this intent, I think that all the great reviews and of course adding that element of innovation, just the fact that it's different, that is something where just the fact that you are able to interact with the image, with the video, and that you can change the video in different ways, then that makes it unique. Of course, we wanted to, or there are different projects for the future. In this particular project of Julian Perreta, the user is able to move in a different direction, the 3D environment, but they are not able to change the story. So future projects can welcome the idea of the user being more active with respect to storytelling, so that I mean, and that's, I think, one of the beautiful aspects of interactivity, that you change the linear aspect of a video with the rhizomatic aspect of a multimedia application, right? You will see more and more projects within the augmented reality field. Definitely, with we're doing a couple of projects using real-time 3D gaming engine, Unity. So that's it's very exciting for us, because it's a new north, or I wouldn't say a new north, is a north light after that or light that we had traced to ourselves. So it's been great.